Hi, welcome to Life of Now channel. So today I'm home here. Yeah, you can see I'm wearing pajama here all day. Even you can see my hair a little rough here. Yep, that is so. I'm in the kitchen here. Yeah, so today I want to prepare this traditional food, originally from uh, East African, which is Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Rwanda, yeah, Congo, yeah, etc. So they know these dishes, So you can eat morning, afternoon, dinner, but most people they prefer morning. Yeah. So for me here, it's almost I think it's three. It's three. So it's three. I'm preparing for dinner. So yeah, I'm going to preparing for dinner. First, the name of that food is chapati. They call chapati. Okay, you can see here. I already put the recipe ready to go. So here I have like a half pound of flour, and my frying pan is here, and the cooking oil, and here I have I'm going to mix with the sugar here, 2 spoons of sugar, and also salty, little bit salty. Yeah, it's like a quarter of teaspoon salty. Yeah, because chapati without salt is not good. And here I have my warm water. Yeah, ready to go. Yeah, not like I'm going to use all them. Yeah, and I'm going to dilute it too because it's hot. It's so hot, so hot. So I'm going to dilute it with cold water. Yeah, and I'm going to mix the dough. You're going to see it. Yeah, so I want to go. By the way, my kitchen had a problem little bit long ago. So, yeah, it's not ready, like official, but at least we had this, they put this uh, machine to suck the smoke. I'm going to show you. Yeah, you can see here. Just simple one. Yeah, this is the machine I'm putting. So at least you can cook now. We can cook, but not yet finish all because there is some in the wall, something to fix there broken. They'll come fix it. Yeah, they'll fix it. Yeah, okay, let's do it. You can see how I do this until it come together soft. Yeah, so I'll show you when it's ready. So now the dough came together so soft. So here you can cover with this small material, like you can cover like this to wait to raise a little bit. It means when you raise a little bit, it become more softy. Yeah, and more delicious too. More softy and delicious chapati. So you can leave it in 30 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah. So for me, I'm going to leave like 15 or 20 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes I don't leave like that. I just direct cooking. Yeah. So I can leave it 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. And it come and it continue with process of cooking. Okay, let it leave it. I'm gonna leave it here. Yeah. Okay, now it's 20 minutes ready. So I prepare the plate to put, even I put a little bit flour, not too sticky. I'm going to roll one by one. I'm going to cut them, divide one by one. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. And this is the board to roll and a little bit oil. And the flour is here. You can see how you raise a little bit. It's different. You can see it. You raise it. Yeah, my hand is clean. You can see it's soft. Yeah, so I'm going to roll it again and cut them small pieces and put them again here. And when I put them, I'm going to cover again like a few minutes, 10 minutes, 15. I'm going to put a little bit in order to roll, little bit oil. My hand is still clean. Yeah, so here I'm going to roll it. Then I'm going to roll. Okay, I'll show you. Oh, I finished to roll. Yeah, you can see here. I already rolled them and put here. So I can cover again like this and wait again maybe 15 minutes. Yeah, to roll. I'm going to roll again and cook them. Okay. This I already did this a step, so my fried pan is ready here, and putting little bit. I put in little bit cooking oil. Yeah, not too much. Yeah, just to make it chapati to cook very well. Okay, you can see now I'm in the step of cooking. I already cooked this. You see, I have to cover. Yeah, when you cover, they become more too softy. But it is, option. It's just option. You don't need to cover too. Yeah, if you go. But I love to cover. Put them so you can see here. Yeah, and I use this spoon. Yeah, you can see here. I'm going to flip it. So when I finish it, I'm going to show you. So I'm still cooking with low temperature. Yeah, in order they can cook perfectly, not burn, but browny, nice color, cooked well. Chapati take a little bit longer. You need to be patient when you cook. Yeah, my chapati is ready. You can see here. We're going to eat it, and like I say, I'm going to eat with my family. We're going to use this soup, goat soup, today with chapati and a vegetable side. So you can see them, they are very soft. You see, always I say when you cook, my hand is clean. Always when you cook them, when you cook them, you cover them to become soft. So next time I'll show you full video to my cooking channel for recipe of soft chapati or good chapati. By the way, I want to tell you guys, you see me, I'm in the another pajama. Is when I was cooking with this other pajama, I get the flour all over. So I went to change, even to shower, yeah, to be ready to eat. So don't surprise to see me, I have another another pajama. Yes. So guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like, share with friends and family. I'll see you next video.